Welcome back to Skibidi Tech. Today I have something extremely exciting for all iPhone and iPad users. In this video, I'm going to show you the latest updated and most reliable method to install ESign on iOS devices and use it to install IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad. The best part, no PC required, no jailbreak required. Compatible with iOS 15 all the way to the latest iOS versions, including iOS 26.6 and iOS 27 beta. Okay, let's get started. First of all, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Then open Safari and then open the Skibidi Tech website. I will add the website link in the pinned comment. Then hit on Get Started. Then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install downloaded profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see the Skibidi Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now open the Skibidi Tech app. Now you will see different ESign links available there. You can try any link, but always make sure to try the top first one. Simply hit on arrow down button in front of the first ESign link and then hit Install to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad. Once the ESign app is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management, and then open Enterprise app. And then hit Trust, and then hit Allow, and restart to let the ESign app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the ESign app will start working properly without any problem. Now hit on the three dots on top, and then hit on the Import option, and then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, and then hit Import again. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on Apps option at bottom, and then hit on the imported IPA file, and then hit on Signature, and then hit Signature again.
Times get better too, you need a better view. Can you trust that you made a fight?
Now hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. And yes guys, I personally tested this method on my own iPhone running iOS 27 beta, and everything is working perfectly. After a few seconds, the application will appear on your home screen. No computer, no jailbreak, everything happens directly on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, this is currently one of the easiest ways to install ESign and install IPA files on iOS devices. If this method helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Skibidi Tech, turn on notifications because I always bring the latest iOS tutorials, updates, and installation methods. Comment below your iOS version. Are you using iOS 15, iOS 26.6, or iOS 27 beta? I'll see you guys in the next video.